Are you still treating your smartwatch like a glorified notification buzzer? For years, smart wearables felt more like a tech accessory stuck on a leash to your smartphone than a truly independent gadget. They could count your basic steps, show a quick text, or tell you the time, but they rarely felt like they were actively transforming your daily life. Samsung is about to completely change that story. The upcoming Galaxy Watch 9 is shaping up to be a massive leap forward. We are talking about a total internal overhaul, a brand new processor, and next-level health tracking features that could actually save your life in an emergency. If you have been holding off on upgrading your wearable tech, this is the exact moment you have been waiting for. Let us start with how this new smartwatch looks on your wrist. Samsung is not tossing out the design language people already love. Instead, they are taking that familiar aesthetic and refining it to pure perfection. You still get the iconic rounded square case housing a classic circular screen. The body keeps its durable armor aluminum build, which holds up remarkably well against everyday bumps and scratches. But the big visual shift comes right at the front display. Samsung has trimmed down those thick black screen borders, the bezels, making them substantially thinner. The result is a sleek, ultra-modern look that gives you significantly more screen real estate without making the watch case bigger or bulkier on your wrist. You will have two standard sizes to pick from, so it comfortably fits any wrist. The smaller 40mm version rocks a gorgeous 1.34-inch Super AMOLED display. If you prefer a larger view, the 44mm model steps up to a 1.47-inch panel. Both of these displays are absolute powerhouses when it comes to outdoor visibility. They reach massive peak brightness levels, meaning you can easily read texts or glance at your workout stats under direct, blinding sunlight. The screens retain a super smooth 60 Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling, and they are covered with scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass. Add in IP68 dust and water resistance, 5 ATM pool-ready waterproofing, and official military-grade durability certification, and you have a watch built to survive almost anything. As for colors, the leaks point to sleek, premium finishes. Cream and graphite for the 40mm, and silver and graphite for the 44mm. Now let us dive into the absolute best part of this device, the massive internal upgrade. For years, Samsung relied on its own in-house Exynos processors. This year, they are making a game-changing pivot. The Galaxy Watch 9 is adopting Qualcomm's cutting-edge 3nm Snapdragon Elite platform. This is a huge deal for smartwatches. This processor features a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU, designed specifically to handle artificial intelligence on the device itself. That means complex AI calculations happen right on your wrist instead of relying heavily on your phone or sending data back and forth to the cloud. Everything feels faster, snappier, and far more independent. On top of that, Qualcomm promises a 30% jump in power efficiency during daily use, which is fantastic news for battery endurance. The hardware upgrades do not stop there. Samsung is also building in ultra-wideband technology, better known as UWB, alongside brand new Bluetooth 6. This combination makes precision location features insanely accurate. If you misplace your watch around the house, finding it will be a breeze. It also upgrades digital key functionality, allowing you to unlock your car or smart door locks seamlessly as you walk up to them. Memory stays solid and dependable with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, giving you plenty of space for offline music, apps, and custom watch faces. Battery capacity gives us an interesting mix this year. If you go with the smaller 40mm model, you get a genuine physical upgrade with a battery rated around 382 mAh, which Samsung will likely market as a clean 400 mAh cell. The larger 44mm version stays at 435 mAh, matching the previous generation. That means any battery gains on the larger watch will come directly from the high efficiency of that new 3nm Snapdragon chip. Charging speeds hold steady at 10 watts for wireless power. Samsung is also going all out when it comes to personal style. They are introducing a massive expansion to their official band lineup. The standard sport band gets an aerodynamic tweak with a subtle concave shape, launching in vivid colors like yellow, blue, black, and green. If you prefer softer tones, you can pick up exclusive pastel shades like light yellow, light blue, light green, and white. The fan-favorite hybrid band is back too, blending real leather on the outside for business settings with sweat-resistant rubber on the inside for heavy workouts. You can grab that one in beige, black, gray, or brown. Sleep trackers will love the return of the soft, ultra-comfortable fabric band. Finally, there is a brand new marine-inspired sport band that looks sleek, athletic, and ready for action in vibrant colors like orange, green, black, light blue, and cream. On the software side, the watch launches with One UI 9 built on top of Wear OS 7, offering a clean user interface heavily focused on deep Galaxy AI integration. In my opinion, the Galaxy Watch 9 is shaping up to be the most complete and exciting smartwatch update we have seen in years. Moving away from the older Exynos, chips over to Qualcomm's 3nm Snapdragon Elite processor is the exact move Samsung needed to make. It gives the device real independence, true speed, and much-needed battery efficiency. Paired with a brighter, slimmer bezel screen and genuinely useful AI tools, this feels less like a phone accessory and more like a true standalone assistant on your wrist. If you have been waiting to buy your first smartwatch or upgrade an older model, the Galaxy Watch 9 is looking like an absolute winner. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.